what's your prediction for hot categories what's hot right now? And then, have you got any predictions for in 12 months time, and we can catch up again and do another recording and we can see if you're right.
Yeah, look, I think obviously no secret the health food arena is in huge growth post-COVID. The key, what I like to talk about is the areas of our sort of anatomy that are important to us now, and they are gut. And I think the kefir and the kombucha movement were a big part of that. So people do understand gut health. Gut health is really, really important. So, fiber and probiotics, prebiotics, all these types of products, very, very important. The brain is the next one. So, Steve, who you met a few weeks ago, the Nootropics is an amazing brand in New Zealand called Arepa, which is a great beverage as well that has had a lot of scientific study around, what that does to help brain function. And then our largest organ in our body, which is our skin, which has been a big collagen movement, as you know. So they're the big three, and then immunity and sleep. So, any product or beverage or blend that addresses those 5 things are the really big movers. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's again less about product and less about category almost, and more so into outcome.
Yeah, definitely. And they're the big sort of health food ones. Then there's indulgence, so healthy indulgence or permissible indulgence,
Permissible indulgence.
Matt
I like that.
Matt from Health Lab has done a great job in Australia, with really sort of nailing, better for you indulgence, gluten-free, plant-based. And then, this whole meals movement, chilled meals, frozen meals, meal components, meal kits, it's enormous growth. But again, big opportunity to differentiate within there as well.